What are you doing, Cooper? What are you doing, you big old puppy dog? You gonna tell everyone hi? What should they do? Well, should they like and subscribe? I think they should. I think they should too, buddy. Right?
Yep.
Yep.
Facing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Okay, everyone, this is me, Megan, and Mr. Cooper, and we are hanging out in the basement, and we got to pull like 20 items on eBay. I still haven't fully gotten back into listing as much as I should be, but we're still selling really, really well. I think our deposit last week was like almost 1,700 bucks, and that's pretty good. Right, Mr. Cooper? Is that a good deposit? That's good. He says that's a great deposit. So we are going to pull 20 items, and we're going to start with the first item. What is the first item?
It's a cassette player in a box, an Embassy cassette player.
An Embassy cassette player in a box. We're going to find it. We'll be right back. Hey, we sold this Embassy cassette player. It comes with the original headphones and the box. All of that together. How much did it sell for?
$60 plus shipping.
Woo, girl, that's awesome. High five.
Put this up.
Okay, what is that?
It was a return because it was too small.
Yeah, we've been getting a lot of returns. We've been having some issues on eBay. Some of you people have been buying stickers from us. If you buy a sticker from us, please let us know that you're a viewer. Because we were sending out free stickers, and what ended up happening is that we sent a lady two free stickers and one of our Nevermore Antiques, or one of our Quote the Raven stickers, and she claimed that she never got it. And she wasn't really wanting to work with us like the way that we needed her to work with us. So if you are going to buy stickers from us, just let us know. Say, hey, we watch your YouTube channel and we appreciate it very much. That way I will send you your extra stickers, because from now on we're not going to do that anymore, because like we have to send out another sticker. And she wasn't even a YouTube viewer, so like if we're going to lose money, it's going to be on you guys. It's not going to be on just random people out in the world.
Yeah, because she was trying to say she only got one of the free stickers. She's like, you didn't send me the one I ordered. I just got this one.
Yeah, it was the Pose in this Yard sticker that we give away for free. And I'm like, we don't even have that one listed. But anyways, we took care of her, and like we would take care of all of our customers. But if you do buy a sticker from us, just let us know. Okay, after all of that, we've got another item to pull. What did we sell next?
California Raisins coffee cup.
Oh, that should be like right there. That's super easy. How much did it sell for?
10 plus shipping.
10 plus shipping. You know, coffee cups is something that a lot of people pass up at like Goodwill and stuff. Like I had 50 cents on that. I was going to sell it somewhere for 50 cents. And we ended up selling it for like, yeah, 10 bucks. A little chippy chip there. I'm sure I put that in the listing. If not, we'll have to check it, make sure. Okay, the next item that we sold here is one of these dino trucks. I guess they're the same. That's the same listing, right? So it don't really matter. We'll grab you. You're going to a new home, Mr. Dino Truck. You're going to have some little boy to just love you and love you and love you. How much did he sell for?
Almost 18 plus shipping.
Oh, not too bad. We'll take that all day long. Okay, guys, the next item that we sold was these lot of two service shop manuals. I only got 10 bucks for them, but there was shipping on top of that, and they'll go medium mail, and I only have 2 bucks in them, so hey, a profit is a profit. Okay, what is the next item that we got to get?
Some makeup.
Okay, what's it called?
Becca Skin Love Glow Glaze Stick.
Okay, I think that is right over here in the box with some of the other makeup. Yep, there we go. How much did it sell for?
$15 free shipping.
$15 and free shipping. I didn't pay much for it. I bought it in a box of makeup at an auction, so that is almost all profit. Not too bad. Okay, Francis, what is the next item that we got to get?
We need some eyeshadow.
Which kind?
Basic B.
Woo, the Basic B. We got to censor that one because it's a bad word. Let's see. We got that right over here. Look how many are missing out of this box. We have sold quite a few out of here. This is it right here. We sold it for what? $16?
$16.95.
$16.95 shipped. Not too bad. I'll take it. Okay, Francis. That was a very hard item to find. What is it?
It's a remote for a Sharper Image Robot.
Oh, that's kind of cool. How much
Like
should
a
we sell it
fighting
for?
Robot. 15 plus shipping.
15 plus shipping. So if you're ever out at the flea market or thrift shop or just at a yard sale and there's a box of small items there, always dig to the bottom, because like just this little basic remote, like, I mean, it's kind of hard to see because there's paper in front of it, but it's just basic. You'd probably think it was worth $1.25, and we sold it for 15 bucks. Don't pass it up. Make offers on the whole box of toys at the yard sale. If you see a little box and you go, how much for all of this? And they'll probably be like $5 and 15 for one item. Okay, here somewhere is a bottle of cologne. I'm not exactly sure where it's located. There it is right there. Mary Mary Pink. And let's go this way and we'll tell the viewers what the buyer asked you to do with this perfume. It is Mary Mary Pink. It's almost full, probably 90%. How much should we sell it for?
25 free shipping.
25 free shipping. Now here's the $1,000,000 question. What did the buyer ask you to do? It'd be nice.
No, they asked me what it smells like, and then also what it was made of. I'm like,
it's made out of, well, puke, and
perfume's made out of, and
it smells.
How do you describe what a perfume
Can you guys smell
like?
this and let me know what it smells like? I don't know. Sometimes you get some silly questions, but we appreciate the purchase nonetheless. I don't know. It smells like perfume. That's all I can say. Okay, the next item that we have here is this little King James. It's a nice little Holy Bible, little zip up Bible there. That's kind of cool. How much did it sell for?
16 free shipping.
Daggum, that's definitely, I mean, to me it's invaluable. You couldn't really put a price on what's in this thing, but that's still not too bad. I think we got it for free, so can't beat that. Hey there, Coopy boy, what are you doing besides pooping on the floor? Tell everyone what you did. You pooped in the floor. You pooped in the floor down here. Bad boy. You're a bad boy. Run. Is that what they were?
Yeah.
Okay, so those were like the Wedgwood or the blue, Flow Blue.
Liberty Blue.
Liberty Blue. Yeah, so those were kind of cool. And they sold for pretty good money. They sold for $26.95, so I'll definitely take that, but I won't take my dog pooping in the floor. Cooper the pooper. What are you doing? What are you doing, mister? Okay, Megan, what's the next item that we sold?
A vintage Velvet Jesus.
Smoking Jesus. That looks like he's got a cigarette in his hand, but that's really cool. I absolutely love the Velvet Jesus. Hold that for me so I can get a better picture. Yeah, so that's the Velvet Jesus right there. Velvet paintings are absolutely awesome. They sell really good, but that's what I'm talking about. I'm like, that just looks horrible. But that sold for how much?
$70 plus 15 shipping.
$70 plus 15 shipping. I bet you some of you guys are going, what? It sold for how much money? How much did it sell for? 70 bucks. Right, Coop? Coop, are you chewing on a box? You're a bad boy. You're a bad dog. Still chewing on the box.
Cooper.
Oh, I'd say you're as good at this. Way better than me. We haven't sold another one of those hair things in a while, but that's okay. We sold these probiotic multi-strain stuff. How much did it sell for?
About 23.
23 bucks. That's not too bad. I think we paid it's half of $7.50. They were 50% off, so not too bad. Not too bad, Coop. Don't try to chew on it. It's not yours. It's our customers. So that's pretty good. Good deal.
This my little doggy dude, getting chunky, eating all the food. Snuggles and he's pretty stinking cute. That's my little dude. Way too many toys up in the room, and this is all he really ever chose.
Okay, guys, this is everything that we sold today. We've got a Dino Trucks. We've got the California Raisins mug. We've got the cassette player. We've got the replacement Nevermore antique sticker. We've got the probiotic, the perfume, the more makeup, Bible, makeup, books, car part, which that sold for like how much? You remember?
That one was, well, actually, that was only 30.
30 bucks. Okay. Plates, controller, and then we have more car parts here. And then we have Jesus. And all of that sold for $407. And that's not too bad. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you really did enjoy the video, you should go down below and you should, I'm not going to say smash because I'm like 41 years old. You should firmly press the like button, because that would be fantastic. And if you would, maybe even firmly press that subscribe button and tickle the bell, because that would be awesome. That way you'll be notified when we go live and when we upload more videos. And it would definitely make Cooper really happy. And we all want Cooper to be happy, because if he ain't happy, he chews up my tennis shoes. So it's up to you guys. My shoes are in your hands. So thank you very much for watching. You have a good day. Keep on digging, keep on picking. God bless you guys. And remember, the family that picks together
Sticks together.
say it with enthusiasm.
Sticks together.
Woo! That sounded like angry, but we'll go with that.